Hey loves, welcome back. I have 24 white hydrangeas, 4 cream mums, 6 blush roses, 2 heather sprays, and then lastly I have 1 leaf bush, which is 22 inches. So what I did, I had 2 of the green foam, floral foams, wrapped it up with painter's tape, stuck the 2 of the palm leaves on each side, one being shorter and then the other one being longer so that the centerpiece can be bigger than what it is. As far as the white hydrangeas, I just stuck them in various places. It wasn't any specific place that I had in mind. You just want to make sure that you're covering all empty places, empty spots in the floral foam. So as you can see, I'm just placing it everywhere. You don't see any gaps. However, I noticed that I put too much of the white hydrangea flowers in the front, which left me with barely anything in the back. So what I had to do was take some out and then just place my mums in various locations. Didn't want them to be in too close to each other. Wanted them to be spaced out so that we can have some variety in the flowers. So you can just see that I'm over here placing them in, trying to find a gap within the hydrangeas to place these flowers. Like I said, there's no specific order. And here you have it, loves. This is the final product. I added 3 different size candles along the left side of the centerpiece. And then I put it on the other side, the opposite side of the centerpiece, so that it can be even and just look good. So we have the floating candle in the water. I actually put a little bit of a trim, a gold trim that has like a little bling to it. We have the medium-sized candle that has a little bit of white sand in it and a little bit of crystals in there. The tea light, I put the warm tea light flickering candle. And this is it. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this, if you want to see more content of wedding centerpieces, let me know. Meet me in the chat.